Perek Chavtes Mishnah Gimel. Carrying on with our Yodis. This Mishnah deals with the string that holds a plumb line. A plumb line is when you want to measure whether something's vertical, something's got a straight vertical line, vertical surface. For instance, a wall. What you do is you have a weight hanging on a piece of string. It's very simple. Not any great chokhmah. And you just hang the thing over the side. So obviously the weight will keep the string straight, and then you see whether it lies flush against the wall. And that's how you can tell whether your wall is vertical. And that's called a mishkoilis. And different craftsmen have a mishkoilis for different functions. And depending on who the craftsman is, what it's for, how long, literally, how long is a piece of string. Chut ha-mishkoilis shneim osar. The little plumb line used by builders, not builders who build buildings, builders who repair something in the house, little walls, etc. They drop a plumb line. The shear for that chut, for that thread, is shneim osar. Shneim osar is a loshen zocher, it's a masculine word, and therefore it means tfachim, 12 tfachim, 2 amas long. Anything more than that, too long, doesn't belong to the mishkoilis, and that bit doesn't act as it. The bit extra on shneim osar tfachim won't act as a yad to the mishkoilis. Of course, the mishkoilis is made out of metal, so that's the kli, and the chut is the yad. In the case of charoshin, carpenters, they build large cupboards. They need a longer plumb line. Shmoina osar, 18 tfachim, 3 amas. Shel banoim or shel binyan, the one used by builders building big buildings, they got the outside walls. Theirs is a massive industrial one. The shear then is 50 amas, 50 amas. Yesemikan, in these cases, if you've got a plumb line which is longer than the shear, imrotza l'kaim, that's as if the Mishnah says, even imrotza l'kaim, even it's not just happened to be you have a bigger plumb line than you need, even if that's what you want, you specifically, intentionally wanted, you actually want to keep the extra length, even so, it's useless, it doesn't work more than the prescribed length, and therefore that extra length is not a yad. The Mishnah carries on. The plumb line used by shel sayodin v'shel sayorin. Sayodin are people who plaster the outside of walls to make them waterproof. They plaster them with a layer of lime. Shel sayorin are artists who do murals and engravings on the side of walls. They want to make sure, after they build, they want to make sure that it's absolutely straight after they've done it, otherwise they would redo it. It won't look nice. Then the shear is kol shein. Kol shein as long as possible. Whatever length they've got, it's all a chibur. Even if it's 1,000 amas high, that's what they always need, a long plumb line. The Tiferes Yisrael in the Boyaz section actually tries to explain why is it that the builder's one is 50 amas and yet the ones for artists and sayodin are kol shein. That's the